Hey guys, welcome. So how do you make the header smaller in Wix when you're trying to upload something that needs to be edited out in the heading? You could also do this on the footer as well. So let's say for example this is the header right here, whatever it is you're trying. Again, same principle applies to the footer as well. So on the heading you can basically just slide in. That's it. Slide in, and then that's just basically it. Just long click and slide in. And for the text you could just basically um, type in whichever it is context you try to type in, because it'll now adjust to the new size of the actual header itself. Okay, so you could edit the text sizes here on quick edit. That's just basically it. And yeah, I certainly hope that this video is of any help. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.